Many of you have these spots on the face, but you had no idea that you have the solution for this problem in your kitchen. Milia is a group of small solid white keratin-filled cysts, which are formed under the skin. And they usually appear when keratin remains stuck below its surface. Keratin is a strong protein found in the tissues of the skin cells, hair and nails. These cysts look just like pimples and they are easy to notice. This type of skin problem usually occurs in newborns, but you should be very careful, because it can also occur in people at all ages and they can disappear within a few weeks. These cysts are usually 1 to 2 millimeters in diameter and they appear on the area around the nose, eyes, and cheeks. But don't get us wrong, they can appear on the other body parts as well. In this video we are going to show you how to remove these small skin cysts in all natural way. Milia most common causes. The problem usually appears when the skin can't remove the dead skin cells, thereby causing clogged pores. It can be caused by many reasons such as use of heavy, pore-clogging skincare products, sun damage, blistering injuries, and long-term use of steroid creams. Lemon juice with sugar. You can use a simple sugar scrub. It's very beneficial in getting rid of milia because it exfoliates the skin. You should add lemon juice and olive oil in this recipe, which will make your skin softer and brighter. Just squeeze out the juice from 1/4 to 1/2 piece of lemon and mix it with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Gently scrub this mixture onto your skin for a few minutes. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off. Lemon. Honey helps treat milia due to its antioxidant and humectant properties, retains moisture and avoids dryness. It also can be combined with other ingredients to make a facial scrub to exfoliate your skin and reduce milia. Castor oil. Castor oil has natural healing and antibacterial properties and also helps control oil production, thereby curing a number of skin problems including acne and milia. Here's what you need to do: just apply 1/2 teaspoon of castor oil on your face and leave it on until it is completely absorbed in the skin. Then you need to wash it off with lukewarm water. Sauna. You should know that a sauna is useful in treating milia and unclogging pores as it helps loosen and remove dead skin cells and debris. Tea tree oil. You should know that regular application of tea tree oil can help dry up the small white milia bumps. Moreover, it works as a natural disinfectant for your skin. You just need to clean your face thoroughly and then dab a little tea tree essential oil on the affected area once daily, preferably at night before going to bed. Pomegranate. Using roasted pomegranate peel powder is another popular home remedy for milia due to its antioxidant and exfoliating properties. Being rich in vitamin C, it is also good for your skin. It will also help soothe acne and pimples. You need to boil some pomegranate peels until they become dark brown and brittle. Use the water and rub the affected area with it. Follow this remedy a few times a week until the bumps disappear. Cornstarch and vinegar. You should know that a combination of cornstarch and vinegar, preferably apple cider vinegar, is another useful remedy to do away with whitehead type milia. Cornstarch absorbs excess oil and vinegar works as an astringent. Add enough cornstarch to 1 teaspoon of vinegar to make a paste. Apply it on the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Fenugreek leaves. The fenugreek leaves are extremely effective and powerful as a beauty aid, and it will help you get rid of acne breakouts, blackheads, milia, boils, and blemishes. They have antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Remove your makeup before you go to sleep. You should wash your face with mild soap and lukewarm water. It will help you cleanse your face from all the dirt and dead skin cells. Don't go out on the sun. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.